Presenting Iconn's service retention feature. We provide the only DMS-integrated, automated service retention program based on actual mileage. We conveniently connect dealers with their customers through fixed ops marketing by capturing the live mileage on customer vehicles and matching it to the VIN-specific maintenance schedule. This patented in-car smart technology automates service reminders and appointment scheduling for dealers by engaging their customers through a rewards program. Customers receive rewards and discounts straight to their mobile device simply for sharing their vehicle's live mileage with their local dealership. Iconn increases high-margin sales of service and parts by utilizing the actual mileage of customer vehicles. Existing customers have already reported a 6% increase in ROs. For more information about our program, please view our other in-depth product videos.